Hey guys, I'm going to be telling you how to make your own stylus or Apple Pencil. You're going to be needing an iPad or any phone with a touch screen, some wire. I've taken the wire out, just a single strand, some cotton. If a metal pen is available, it's better. If not, any pen with a plastic body will do. You can take out the refill, it's not required. A cello tape, a pair of scissors, and some water. First take some cotton and put it in the pen with the metallic body. Roll the cotton and place it in the tip. Make sure the pen tip is not outside. Cut out any extra cotton in it. Now dip it in some water and then squeeze it to remove any excess water. Then your own stylus is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to Nixapian. Now I'm going to be telling you how to make a stylus with a pen that has a plastic body. Insert the wire in the place the refill comes out, in a small hole over there. Then wind the wire around the pen as shown. It's okay if it comes out, you can put it back in. Now take some tape and stick the wire to the bottom of the pen. Now take some cotton and follow the same steps as we have done in the case of metallic pen. We have used the wire here because it conducts the electricity from the body to the capacitive touch. But we didn't need the wire because the metal which was there in the body of the pen conducted the electricity. Now let's test it out. It works perfectly fine.
That's it guys. If you like the video, do subscribe Nixapian. This is Vishy signing off.